Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video on how you can set up Brave Wallet on your device. I'll be showing you the step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, in order to set up or create an account on Brave Wallet, you need to open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.brave.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And as you type in the link, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and on this page you need to click on get started, and after that on the other interface you'll be directed to. So first thing, you need to create a password, and after that, in order to confirm, type in once again and then tap on confirm. And after that, there is the terms and condition, and make sure to check on a little box icon located in the bottom left. And if you don't want to go through all of these, then tap on skip. You agree with the terms and condition, tap on continue. Next screen, you have a recovery fees. So this is one of the important fees that you need while recovering or while you're trying to log in into your Brave Wallet. But now you need to copy it to your clipboard, and after that, so after you've made a copy of it, just make sure to click on the box and then tap on continue. So as already mentioned before, that you need to make a copy of your recovery fees, and on this page you need to paste the recovery fees. So once you've done that, tap on verify if you have entered a correct recovery fees, and then your wallet is created and you'll be taken to the wallet page. And here you can see that the interface looks something like this, and now you're ready to explore. So that is how you can set up Brave Wallet on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.